Lo wesilisa oboshiwe uneminyaka engama-35 ubudala kanti usazobekwa icala bese kuhlelwa ukuthi avele enkantolo. Amaphoyisa athi kusamele ayohlolwa isimo sengqondo ngaphambi kokubekwa icala. Okhulumela Abezimo eziphuthumayo eKapa uGerman Carlse uthi Lomlilo uyaqhubeka nokubhebhetheka kodwa ke Abezimo eziphuthumayo bazama ngawo wonke amandla ukunqanda.
The fire has now spread towards the Vredehok area as a result of the southeaster. The wind speed increased from about 2 a.m. this morning and additional fire crews are now stationed at Peppertree and Chelmsford area. As a precaution, these areas were evacuated. Further crews are now on Tafelberg Road as the wind speed is predicted to increase throughout the morning.
Iphini leshansela la senyuvesi yaseKapa lithi omkhulu umonakalo odalekile njengoba ushe wanqonqa umtapo wezincwadi.
We're meeting with the Premier today and his team. He'll be doing a walkabout on campus to assess, to see the damage and so on. And we'll hear in that, perhaps in that meeting, they'll give us an update. But I mean, we've been completely grateful for the city's fire department, the amazing work that they did.
Baphawulile abantu abahlala ezindaweni ezikhahlanyezwe yilomlilo.
We slept about 2 hours. It's been scary. It's emotional packing up your stuff and leaving. But I think we've been responsible and we're leaving right now.
The message system here, people email out. We have a group, chat group on WhatsApp. So they kind of started waking us up.
Obika ngesiminyaminya sezimoto emgwaqeni uRobben uthi Lomlilo ukuphazamisile ukuhamba kwezimoto eVredehok.
A lot of closures around central Cape Town. Here's a look at what we've got. The M3 between Newlands and Hospital Bend is closed, and then Philip Kusana coming in is closed. There are also closures around Vredehok. Motorists are being, homeowners are being evacuated from their homes through Vredehok, and routes like Table Mountain Road closed. You're not going to be able to get up the cable car today. Forget about that sort of deal.
Inhlangano engenzi inzuzo iGift of the Givers isivele iqalile ukwelekelela izisulu ngokudla nangezimpahla.
The meals are provided for 4,000 students. Our teams went through the night, building to building, hotel to hotel, and at that point some of the students were still coming in because it was a difficult job to find accommodation for 4,000 students at such short notice.
Umkhandlu udolobha iKapa kulindeleke ukuthi ubambe isithangami nabezindaba khona eminingi uzochaza ngokwenzekayo. NginguCalvin Dludla wezindaba zeSABC.